Hey, what's up everybody? Wanted to hop on here, do a quick review of these string light poles that I actually picked up for the backyard. We're actually going to be installing them into the ground as opposed to strapping them over here to a fence post. And I wanted to use this not so much for string lights, but I'm going to run actually a misting hose here so my kids kind of have something to run out through the season. So let's get them out of the box, get them set up, and let's see how well they're built. All right, so there's actually a lot more pieces in this box than I originally thought. So we're going to take a little bit. Essentially what it looks like, they are slightly threaded. You'll kind of see these here. So basically I'm assuming that it's going to be a push in and then a screw to find out to attach them. All right, so now that we got things laid out, I apologize for the black parts on the black desk, but essentially what we're creating is this this kind of stabilizer stake, and those are basically the thin parts in the box, and then they're threaded, and then there's threaded over here, and essentially it's just going to be 3 pieces that go in and thread together. And then the thicker pieces for the poles themselves are similar here, where they basically go in and then they're going to be threaded. And there's going to be, I think, 8 sections. It's a 10-foot, I got the 10-foot tall pole, so I'm not going to be able to show everything here on camera until I'm done. But essentially, you're just going to repeat this process all the way down until you get to the bottom stakes. Okay, so I did say before that we are putting these into the ground, but if you're not and you're attaching them over to a fence post, they do actually include all of the hardware that you need to attach to a fence post. But again, we're going to be using the stakes in the ground method as opposed to using the I don't think they have instructions for this. Oh yeah, they're there. As opposed to using the instructions to attach them to a fence post. All right, and as you can see, we've got it now hooked up. We've got the 2 here. You've got basically you've got your stabilizer poles over here. You see that's actually a misting hose. It's not lights, but lights will basically give you the same effect. Comes all the way down this way, and then all we did was we basically just stepped on the stakes, and that stabilizes it into the ground. Overall, I think it's a well thought out design, and I'd recommend it if you're going to put lights in your yard or patio or whatever. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.